Hey guys, we're out here at Fullness Organic Farm, right here in Baton Rouge, Louisiana. We're gonna pick some fresh veg, grill up a nice Panzanella salad. It's gonna be great. Let's get to it.
Yeah, why farm in Louisiana? First of all, we've got a wonderful growing climate. We can plant something every day of the year. So whether it's summertime or in the dead of winter, we'll be planting things. And the second thing is our food heritage and culture. You know, you don't have to talk to many people to find out how to cook something or how their grandma used to cook it or what they used to eat at Thanksgiving. And so it's a place where maybe the best food you'll have is at people's houses. And so it's kind of something we're proud to be a part of. We're not growing things to be shipped 1,500 miles, which is the average calorie in America travels that far. It's going 15 minutes down the road. So we select varieties and grow things for flavor, and which is correlated with nutrition, which is cool. So, you know, we're not looking for, red tomatoes that'll ship well and all ripen at the same time. You know, we want the funky ones that were bred for flavor, the heirloom things. I think people are just drawn to it when they see it. They're like, oh, I want that green and yellow striped tomato. Like, what is that? So just kind of neat, and it's kind of the way food was meant to be.
Okay, so Grant was able to set us aside some beautiful veggies here. We're gonna go ahead and get our grill ready for our Panzanella salad. Let's do it. So while our coals are getting hot, we'll go ahead and slice up our veggies that will be going on the grill. I'm gonna slice the eggplant thick so that it'll still have some good texture once in the salad. And I'll go ahead and do the same for our red onion. Now, I like bacon in my Panzanella, but it's still delicious if you want to keep your salad vegetarian. We'll cook this till crispy and pull it from the grill to cool while we finish prepping the veggies. Just drizzle with a little olive oil and season with a little cracked black pepper and salt. All we are trying to do here is get a little color and some good smoky flavor on these veggies. The coals are nice and hot from cooking the bacon, so it won't take long. Classically, Panzanella is a tomato and bread-based Tuscan chopped salad. I've seen it made countless different ways, which is why I chose to cook this on the farm. It really has a lot of flexibility to incorporate whatever vegetables are in season. I've got some beautiful tomatoes set aside, but I'm not going to be grilling those today. I like to slice them fresh right before tossing everything together. After the veggies have some nice color to them, drizzle the bread with a little olive oil. Now, because there will be a vinaigrette in this, it'll be good to get the bread crispy on the grill before cubing it up for the salad, so it doesn't get too soggy. For the dressing, we're making a simple vinaigrette with a little Dijon mustard, a few cloves of minced garlic, some white wine vinegar, whisk in some olive oil to bring it all together, and season it up with some salt and pepper. Now all that's left to do is rough chop the vegetables. Man, these tomatoes are going to be awesome. You just can't beat freshly picked. Since they have some ripe cherry tomatoes and heirlooms, I'll use a little of both. Why not? You know, I usually grill a lot of things centered around meat, so it's a nice change of pace making a dish like this. And hey, this is a Tuscan dish, meaning it pairs great with a nice bottle of wine. For the bread, basically just cube it up about the size of large croutons. This makes for a really hearty salad. Next up, throw in a handful of fresh basil and some capers. Just toss everything together well and top it with the vinaigrette right before serving. Man, I love how colorful this dish comes out. Let's give it a shot. This is a great summer side. Being able to pick these veggies right to the grill, right to the table, it gets no fresher than that, guys. Thanks for watching today, and remember, at bbqguys.com, we smoke the competition.